Hi there, I'm Justin Kaiser, co-founder of Solar Grids. Let me ask you a question. Are you looking to stand out in the solar industry? Of course, you want that competitive edge, right? Well, let's talk about NABCEP certified training and why it's an absolute game changer. Our parent company, Stardust Solar Technologies, is NABCEP certified and trains all of our franchisees. To date, Stardust Solar has trained more than 2,500 solar professionals all across North America. Not 25, not 100, 2,500 solar professionals have been trained by our team. The North American Board of Certified Energy Practitioners, or NABCEP for short, is the absolute gold standard in the renewable energy space. Founded in 2002, it offers rigorous certified programs to ensure expertise in solar installation, design, sales, and maintenance. Our training process is designed for maximum convenience and effectiveness. The first part of our NABCEP certified training takes place virtually, allowing franchisees to learn the fundamentals from, anywhere. And then next, we take it to the next level. Our team comes to your location to provide 5 days of hands-on training to actual job sites. This real-world experience ensures that you and your team gain the practical skills needed to deliver top-quality installations with confidence. Now, for SolarGrid's franchisees, NABCEP certification means instant credibility. It shows customers that your team has advanced technical knowledge, hands-on experience, and adheres to strict codes of ethics. This builds trust and sets you apart from your competitors. NABCEP certification isn't just about technical skills. It also helps you close more deals. Customers are more likely to choose a certified installer, giving you an advantage over your competitors who lack this credential. In fact, many utilities and governments even require NABCEP certification for projects, giving you a competitive edge in securing contracts. At Solar Grids, we provide you all the tools and support to help you achieve this NABCEP certification. From training resources to hands-on experience, we set you up for success in the solar industry. Certification also means better efficiency and fewer installation errors. By mastering best practices, you'll save time, reduce costs, and ensure that every project meets the highest standards. Plus, NABCEP certified staff can boost your franchise's reputation and earning potential. Studies show that certified professionals earn significantly more, and your business can leverage this expertise to expand services and increase profits. So if you haven't scheduled a call with us yet, I encourage you to do so now so that you can learn even more and get all of your questions answered. We look forward to hearing from you soon.